Okay, Tala? Huh? What happened? You have new clothes? You have new dress? Where is it? Where is it? Why are still, huh? Are you sleepy? Oh, what happened? Finish sleeping na? Huh? Say hi. Hi everyone. My name is Tala.
Ano yung bago mong hair?
Oh, show your hair. Wow, the beautiful girl. And turning 2 years old this coming September. My God, the baby's big now.
Sanda yung ano mo? Sanda yung hair mo?
Oh, why are you silent? Huh?
Marami akong itlog na yan.
Why you're so silent
Kasi
na?
yung mga kasamahan ko niyan, karamihan yan sa mga yan, sa amin. Hindi mag-almusal kasi maaga.
Oh, say good morning na lang. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. I want to sleep na. Why like that? The eyes is like that. Why?
Sino na nag-cut ng hair ng baby ko?
Sino na nag-cut ng hair? Mama. The baby's mama. Girl.
Only mama will
Tala.
cut your hair, no? Hanggat kayang gumanon ni mama, no?
Oh, say bye-bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Bye-bye. See you next time. Next time.